Good evening. This is the OJR report. Amidst low productivity nationally estimated at 0.83% within the period 2002 to 2012, the World Bank, in partnership with Jamaica in 2013, embarked on a 6-year strategy which is showing some progress. The World Bank's country manager in Jamaica, Galina Sotriova, highlights the elements of that strategy.
19, and it basically supports Jamaica in 3 main areas. It's private sector development, and it's working on the business environment, working on improving the productivity at different levels, providing access to finance, focusing on small and medium enterprises. Another big pillar is public sector modernization, and the idea there is that you need to have a much more efficient public sector, and the services that the public sector is providing to the private sector have to be helping the private sector to contribute more to the growth in Jamaica, and to help the private sector increase the productivity and their contribution to growth. And then the third pillar, which is working on resilience, and this is social as well as environmental resilience. And there we are also working on the issues of crime and violence, issues of education, and more better adapted education to the realities of the labor market in Jamaica.
She was speaking at the opening ceremony of Make Your Marks Productivity and Continuous Improvement Conference today. Now, that conference is designed to meet the needs of the public and the private sectors and build their productivity capacities. JMA President Mitchell Siaga described it as timely,
as it provides solutions on how we can continuously improve our productivity and therefore reverse this very uncomfortable arithmetic identified above. So today we are here about making a change and putting some real theory into practice.
On the foreign exchange market, authorized dealers sold $40.3 million or 30.5% less than what they bought, indicating liquidity in the foreign exchange system. So how did this impact on trading? Well, the benchmark American dollar weakened by 8 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $127.81. However, both the Canadian dollar and sterling strengthened against the local currency. The Canadian dollar gained 19 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $102.76 Jamaican, while sterling closed 59 cents higher at $167.64 Jamaican. Now finally, the Jamaican stock market had mixed fortunes today. While the All-Jamaican Composite Index as well as the main JC Index advanced, losses by highly capitalized entities such as Carreras and Scotia Group triggered a loss of 0.1% in the Select Index. 46 stocks traded Thursday, with 25 advancing, 13 declining, and 8 holding firm. Market volume amounted to 5.4 million shares worth $42 million. Cable and Wireless Jamaica of 1.7% accounted for 39% of trades. Winners included Barita Investments, Berger, Caribbean Cement, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Distributors, NCB Financial Group, Consolidated Bakeries or Purity, Iron Rock Insurance, and Salada Foods. The losers included Carreras, Dermont Trading, Radio Jamaica, Scotia Group, Sadcor Group Jamaica, and JMMB Cumulative Redeemable 7.5% preference shares. And that's the OJR report. Good evening.